Hello guys, welcome back to another video. How are you guys doing so far? I hope you guys are enjoying yourselves so far during this whole lockdown period. This is also the time to actually brush up your looping skills, and today I'm going to show you one of the songs that I actually enjoy playing back when I was still gigging before this whole circuit breaker was enforced. Today we are going to dive into the world of ASMR. The artist is none other than Billie Eilish. The song that I'm going to teach you guys today is actually Everything I Wanted. Okay, let's just get straight into the video, okay? Number one, we gotta get the key right. The key is in A major, okay? Okay, and in this song, there's only 3 chords that you need to know. So number 1, D major. Number 2, E major. 3, C sharp minor. If you guys want to color the chord, go ahead and color it. D will be D major 7. Nice. And E, I don't think I will change E a lot, but instead I'll play it here. C sharp minor, I will change to C sharp minor 7. This song is actually very soft and mellow. The way I do it is actually to finger pluck it. So it goes like this. Wait, let me get my in-ears in. The rhythm pattern goes like this. Just follow me, okay? 1, 2, 3, and. The whole song just revolves around these 3 chords, okay? So I got my looper ready. As usual, it's my Boss RC30. So how you're gonna start looping is when you are very comfortable with the rhythm. Once you're ready, you start on the first beat. So it goes like this. The next thing you want to do is to add that little beat going on in the background, the one that goes like, you know, this kind of beat makes you feel like the heart is beating with you. Is that close to ASMR? I think that's close to ASMR, right? This is the constant beat, which is very easy to do. Just straight 4 counts all the way, right? So you got a loop going on. One, 2, 3. In order to achieve the bass thumping, all you need to do is just to mute your left hand and then just hit it slightly on the right hand side. Okay? Simple enough, right? After you have looped the basic rhythm, basic chords, you just want to fatten it up by using the bass sounds. I got 2 methods of doing it. One of them is to use the pick and then just palm mute lightly. Another method is to use the thumb. In this video, I'm just gonna use the pick and palm mute it for bass. The next thing is to fatten up the song with a little bit of snare effect. How you're gonna do it is just mute your left hand, chuck your right hand. You can chuck it lightly if you want to, so that it's not too jarring in the mix. Once you got a snare sound, now is the time to fill it up with some little fills here and there. What I like to do is, of course, I would just like to pluck the chords lightly, just to make some layers of sounds. So I'm using my Yamaha SLG210S. It has onboard effects. I'm gonna use the chorus effect right now. Just gonna turn it to the chorus effect, and it sounds like this. So once you play the song, I'm gonna try to plug it and loop it. I like the open sound. Here you go. 1, 2. Basically, you're done with the song at this point. What you can do after this is to try to add some little fill-in notes here and there. Like you try to use 1 or 2 constant notes all the way just to accentuate different parts of the song. So once you're done with this part, just play around with the remaining notes in the key of A major and make sure that you enjoy the song. Very important. There you have it. Today I showed you how to loop Billie Eilish, Everything I Wanted. I hope you learned something today. If you do, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye bye.